baddies, this is your girl Shamari TV, and I'm back with a new video. In today's video, I will be doing a quick unboxing of a few things on Amazon. Okay, baddies, the first thing I will be unboxing is the Royex storage cube. I got it in the color pink. I have the option to choose between 8 cubicles or 12. Me personally, I only got 8. Next thing I will be unboxing is the Wise Life 2-pack laundry hamper in the size 2X75L, and I got it in the color pink and white stripes. So I'm just showing you that now. And I ended up unboxing and setting up the home deck closet, organized 12-inch closet cubicle. I ended up doing it off camera, and I also ended up building my desk off camera. So right now you just see me showing you guys how my desk look. Okay, last thing, we got to unbox Elena vanity stool. So that's what you're finna see me doing right now. And right here. So now it's time to get into building this Elena vanity stool. So right now you see me taking everything out of the box. As I take everything out the box, I'm starting to look over all of the items that comes inside of the box. So right now you just see me overlooking the instructions. I'm starting to take the plastic off everything so I can go ahead and get this stuff built.